Welcome to another DK Custom Products video. My name is Kevin. This is part of our series on the little things make a difference. Today we're going to be talking about floorboard extensions. A floorboard extension is a piece that goes between the bracket and the floorboard that pushes the floorboard out 3/4 of an inch to an inch. On this particular one, this soft tail, these are chrome floorboard extensions. So this piece right here and right here, and the bolt that normally goes through the floorboard frame goes through the extension, and then a bolt goes through the other end of the extension through the floorboard frame, pushing the floorboard out. Nobody would think 3/4 of an inch to an inch would make that big of a difference, but everybody who gets them raves about how much more comfortable they are with their foot just that little bit further out. You can still fold up your floorboards. Let me show you some of the benefits of having a floorboard extension on your floorboard, or more properly called your footboard. Right now, my boot is totally on the floorboard, but you can see that I have distance between my boot and the exhaust. If I did not have floorboard extensions on there, two things would happen. Number one, this part of my boot would be right up against the exhaust, and that's when you see exhaust getting those boot scuff marks and melted boot marks on it. And another thing is, if you notice where my toe is right here with the floorboard extension, it is not under the brake pedal. I can go and I can get my foot right on there. But if my foot was an inch inboard, it's right under there. I can go like this and come up like this. And if I had the factory floorboard, it'd even be more difficult. So not only does it move it away from the exhaust, it moves it away so your toe is not under the brake pedal. But probably the biggest thing is, it's just a lot more comfortable having your foot out there. And there's no way I can say it. You can read all the reviews of people saying that they were amazed how that 3/4 inch to an inch made a big difference. There's no way to understand how significantly more comfortable it is unless you actually experience it. But it's just a lot more comfortable. The other thing is, it gets your leg further away from the air cleaner too. So if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you can see when our next video comes out on the little things that make a difference. And share this with your friends. They'll probably appreciate it a lot. You all ride safe out there.